Introducing Project DAYBREAK, the embodiment of rugged elegance, precision and raw power, built for the extraordinary. At its heart, the mighty LS3 V8 engine delivering a commanding 430 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this powerhouse is engineered for performance, whether you're cruising city streets or conquering off-road terrain. Crafted with a heavy-duty stock axle system and an E.C.D air ride suspension, Project DAYBREAK promises smooth control. Adapting to your terrain with its signature stainless steel exhaust system, you'll hear the power before you even see it. An unmistakable growl, enhanced by a sleek single outlet on the left side. The design is where Project DAYBREAK truly shines. Its bold exterior flaunts an olive yellow-green paint finish with Cornish Cream accents on the roof, wheels and body trim. Each detail has been carefully considered, from the Zermatt silver grille to the custom Hydro-Dip wood radio console that mirrors the warmth of French oak. Step inside, experience luxury wrapped in the finest brown leathers. Recaro orthoped front seats are designed for comfort, while the middle and load area seats carry the same impeccable craftsmanship. Leather stitched with horizontal lines, ensuring every journey feels as good as it looks. Project DAYBREAK is an experience that celebrates the journey, from its rugged 18-inch Sawtooth wheels to its seating layout built for 9. Everything about this vehicle screams adventure, elegance and unmatched capability.